Hello, everyone. For math this week, we are going to continue working on our money skills. We have already worked on identifying coins, naming coins, and identifying the value of a coin. So if you look down here where my mouse is moving, in the lower left-hand corner, we have a box with our 4 coins. The first coin is the quarter. Quarter is worth 25 cents. Next, we have a dime. Our dime is worth 10 cents. Here we have our nickel. Our nickel is worth 5 cents. And our penny. Our penny is worth 1 cent. Now, we've spent a lot of time counting our coins using our ice cream cone mats at school. The mats at school had a value or an amount of money on it. I would give you your ice cream cones with the money on them, the amount of money. And then I would give you the fake coins to count out that amount of money on each of those ice cream cards. I found this cool website that actually allows us to do it online. I'm going to give you a little run through of how this works because then I want you to practice this at home. So when you get to this page, please click this blue arrow and go down to collect. So you're going to go to collect, and then it will tell you where my mouse is moving right now. It says collect 28 cents. What you do next is you drag your coins over to this big box here. Now we've spent some time counting with dimes, nickels, and penny. We haven't spent much time counting by quarters. When we count by quarters, again, we count by 25. So it does get pretty tricky. 1 quarter is 25 cents, 2 quarters is 50 cents, 3 quarters is 75 cents, and 4 quarters is 100 cents or $1. I'd like you guys to focus on counting with your dimes, nickels, and pennies. So when we count by dimes, we count by tens, and we say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. When we count by nickels, we count by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And when we count by pennies, we just count by ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until we get to 100, because 100 cents equals $1. So let's try practicing this together. I see at the top here, it says collect 28 cents. Okay, so I'm going to use dimes and some other coins to get 28 cents. I'm going to start 1 dime, 10 cents. So 10, 20. Okay, so I have 20 cents. I can't do another dime because another dime would bring us to 30 because 10, 20, 30. So I'm going to have to use some other coins. So let's see. We have 2 dimes, 10, 20. I'm going to pull out a nickel because a nickel is worth 5 cents. So we have 10, 20, 25. So 10, 20, 25, and now we need to get to 28. So we're going to say 26, 27, 28. Now, if you look up here where this green check mark is, you can click it, and it tells you if you got it right. All right, the next one says collect 54 cents. So again, I'm going to use my dimes and say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then I need to count out some pennies. I need 4 pennies. so I can get to 54. I need 51, 52, 53, and 54. Now, I would like to go back over and check my work. You ready? Let's count together. I'm going to point to the coin and count. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. All right. Checked our work. Good job. Next, it says collect 68 cents. All right. I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Oops, I got 60. And then we can use another coin now. We have 60 cents here. I'm going to bring out a nickel. 65. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65. Bring out some pennies. 66, 67, 68. All right, I'm going to count this a different way for you guys. So this way we used a nickel, 5 cents, and 3 pennies, because a nickel, 5, 6, 7, 8 brought us our 8 cents, which is in the ones place here. Our 6 dimes equals the 60 cents, which is our 60 in the tens place. This is a lot like our base 10 work that we've been doing a lot of. We count by tens and then count out our ones. So the only difference here is that I have a nickel to hold 5 of those places for us. But we can do this a different way. Let's try this. So we're going to do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, so we have 60 cents. Now, if adding that nickel, the 5 cents, is too much right now, because it can be tricky, switching over, remember, counting by tens, and then switching over to count by fives, and then switching over to count by ones, this is another way we can do it. We have our 6 dimes up here, so we have 60 cents, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We can count by pennies to get that 8 cents. You ready? 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. All right, let's count this all together. I'm going to go touch the coin with my mouse, and I want you to count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, and 68. Let's check it. Awesome job. All right. Ooh, collect 99 cents. That's a big one. Let's do it the same way. Let's use dimes and pennies. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. All right. We have our 9 pennies. We have 90 cents. We want to get to 99. So we're going to switch over to pennies. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, and 99. That's a lot of coins out there. So I'm going to touch the coin with my mouse again, and I want you to count with me, starting with our dimes. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Awesome job. Check it. All right. So I would like you to go on here, click on this website link under this video, and I want you to try doing this on your own. Remember, when you get to the screen, go down to collect, okay? And it will keep changing the value to use. And if you are having trouble counting with dimes, nickels, and pennies, don't worry about it. Try counting with your dimes and pennies now, because that will be a lot like our base 10 work, counting by tens and counting by ones. If you want to use all coins, go for it. Just practice as much as you can. Good job, guys.